announcement that I'm so excited to share. Introducing my look forward, not backward sweatshirt crew neck. I have a ton of them in stock right now on thatshershop.com, and I have a whole box left to steam up. Snatch one before it's gone because they're so freaking cute. I'm currently wearing a size large. I picked out the stitch color and I love it so freaking much. How gorgeous this color is. The stitching actually has a little bit of a shine, a glisten to it. Freaking cute! I think it's super clever to have the look forward on the front, and then whoever's behind you can see the not backward. I've actually worn my look forward, not backward crew neck out a couple times. I've gotten compliments. They loved my sweatshirt and I'm like, I designed it. So this crew neck is a cotton poly heavy blend mixture. Super soft on the inside. I wish you could feel this through the screen right now. I actually partnered up with a female-owned small business who does embroidery herself. I'm gonna link her down below. Thanks Desiree for pulling this through on a time crunch. She is a one-woman show and I stand for that because say, girls support girls. Make sure you put in your order now because when you do, you get a bunch of freebies and a free pair of socks or scrunchies. Also, because I love you guys so much, use code LUCKYGIRL for 10% off. Ooh, yeah. I forgot to mention that we have sizes small all the way up to 2XL. Look at this! Like, are you playing with my heart right now? Look how freaking cozy. Onto a one-size-fit-all K-style haul that's too small. Wow. I don't know if you know this, but I found the most flattering heavy booby girly tank for you. I know it's winter, whatever, but these are so freaking sexy. I stocked up on them. I already have the blue and white one, so I got a mauve one, an emerald one, and the black one. Just watch how this plumps the girls up and snatches my waist. Trust me, I don't have a small waist. I'm screaming. Okay, first of all, this is tiny. Eensy weensy. Because I didn't want to undo the zipper, squashed myself into it. Homegirl, I'm a size 10 right now, and girl, I don't have this kind of waist. Clearly, look at my tummy. This is my tummy, but just look how much this squeezes my intestines into AP. This tank does have a little bit of a padding, but I don't mind it at all because it really helps scoop the side. I'm not sure how to describe this. It's not too thick of a fold, but it's not thin like your flimsy gym bras. So there's a bit of a cushion to it. Look how nice the straps are. I love the brown tracing straps. They're so freaking cute and flexible and just like thin on the shoulders. This whole tank is ribbed. Waist part, it's almost like Spanx, almost like Skims. It's like a tightening underwear for your waist. That's technically what it is. Obsessed! Oh, I forgot to mention, the Girls Night Out corset is restocking this Monday. So today. They sell out so fast. I'm gonna show you the other colors. So this is the pink version. You can actually see the padding a lot more on this one. But that's okay because I love this pink color. It's given the same energy. Small waist, plump chesties. The straps are in this beige nude color instead of that heavy brown. With all of the tanks, the zipper is black. Same lining, everything's the same. 10 out of 10! Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this green one. Again, the straps and the outline is in that beige nude version instead of that brown. This forest green is screaming purr. I cannot. This makes me ready for summer. Well, shy. Absolutely a dream. Okay, so the next few pieces going forward are, look forward, not backward, are just basics. I realize I don't have a lot of them in my closet. However, still make it look sexy. It's 2023. It's time to own our bodies. Take, for example, this basic crop tee. Is this matte cool tone red crop labeled with lip puff. Okay, a little bit too short. Mine, this is all one size, so I don't think it's supposed to be this short. So already, it's small. A haul too small. But she can't help it because she loves K-fashion. I think the tatas make it a little bit more short. It is dangerous territory to turn to the side and like lift up my arms. It is very flattering from the front. I really like wearing t-shirts that I could just not wear a bra and still have the girls sitting upright. I am noticing that this is the type of fabric that's super thin that digs up into your armpits, maybe because it's 3 sizes too small. Your sweat stains will be like super noticeable. It's just so sexy. Okay, so much for keeping things basic. This is the statement piece of this haul. First of all, padding to this extent of thickness should be banned in 2023. The padding is literally this thick. I know I'm a dramatic person, but I'm not exaggerating. It's so insane how crazy these push-up pads are. Why? I'm already a heavy-chested girl, so having this padding just like makes my tatas look all sorts of crazy right now. I have 2 sets of titties right now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My boyfriend's taking me out to a fancy dinner this weekend, and I was like, oh my god, this could be the top I wear. No. The square squishy part is on me though. That's totally on me. I mean, look at this squishy fat right here. I'm gonna work on these rolls. You're gonna see a different me. I don't know when, because this isn't exacerbated neon green. It feels casually wearable. It looks like it's gonna snap off from the side, yeah. But besides that, this design is so cute. You can pull it closer here, pull it up higher, more open. Super freaking cute. I'm gonna have to find something like this for my boutique. I just don't like the padding. I love the style though. You don't have to wear a bra, so I see why there's shielding underneath, but we're not going to war. Ignore my chunkies. Also, this is very embarrassing, but look at my neck. You guys know, watch that one video where I like pop the back of my neck. It's getting better, but nah. You can pull it down, but it shows a little bit too much of the jigglies. So the trick here is to scrunch it up so that it blends in the jelly welly. Honestly, I feel powerful in this, okay? It's refreshing and new to the eye. Adorable. Okay, back to our basics. This is just a basic muscle tee tank. It's ribbed, very closed up. The neckline comes up very high, close to my chin, girl. It's just supposed to fit everyone. It's a lot smaller for an Asian American body like myself. It's so tiny that it closes up on my armpits and it squishes the little chocolates out of my shirt right here. I'm actually really surprised that this isn't cropped. I guess it is cropped. I wear my pants so high, I can't tell. I just have a tiny torso. It feels like coverage, it feels protective. When you lift your arms up, you don't have to worry about like it lifting and showing like the underside of the twins. I have an obsession with brown creams and charcoal colors right now, that combination. Didn't find cream, but this nude beige one, and then I bought one in black as well. These are much needed for times that you just want to put something simple on, a cardigan, jacket, sweater, whatever it is on top and just go out. Love, let me show you the beige and black. This does come up a little high. The hole for the head is not that big, just heavy up here with no breathing. If you're considering this piece, just be considerate of your armpit fatties. Now, black. Here it is. It's actually a little bit more stretchy, which I like. A little bit more space. I love how these basics are so versatile. You can wear it casually or dress it up and make it classy. To be honest, I'm not sure why I went with this lip hop top. This fabric feels like a towel. Water repellent. I do like the little lip hop label here. It's squishy. It literally looks like pajamas. I do like the hemming and the cut down here where it's like split and it's a U-curve, but I'm not a fan of the neckline. Just not a huge fan of this scoop style, but that's okay. I could totally see me wearing this inside the house. You're very lucky. Yeah, pants on today. Oh, this is so much cuter. I still don't know if I'd wear it out though. Not sure where I was going with this, but we're here now. We'll deal with it. It's still insane to me that Rolla Rolla is selling on YESSTYLE now. Rolla Rolla is a higher end brand. So I picked up this crew neck, super cute. Never had a crew neck in this fabric before. I don't know how to describe it. It's cooling, not soft, a bit prickly. I'm obsessed with the color. Nerdy, preppy look. I do really like the scrunch of the band down here. Oh my god, I love the color combo. Again, see, I'm really into like this cream color. I love the college lettering. And look at the stitching. Looks like a potato sack bag. Kind of feels like it too. I love that the sweater can hold its structure. On the topic, I am working on 3 crew necks right now for That's Her. The 3 colors are charcoal, brown, and cream. I don't think mine is as creamy as this color. This just gives me more lucky girl syndrome. And whoosies. I got another sweater from Rolla Rolla. This is a navy one. Doesn't have as much structure as the one before. Love how their sleeves are done. So it's pretty cute and convenient. I do like this navy color. I don't have a lot of sweaters in navy actually. Like one. It's not a soft sweater though. A little rough. They don't really go for like soft cottony feels. Next! These are the last 2 pieces. They're just normal t-shirts. This one is like a huge scoop line, a little bit see-through. The bottom lining is parallel to the scoop neck up here, so it's also a scoop that goes higher on the waist. The back part is shorter than the front. I don't know if that's like intentional. I tend to go for pieces that hold a unique characteristic, even though it's just a basic piece. Honestly, I was more intrigued to go for this top because of this lining down here. Let's try the black. Okay, I don't love it. I don't love the sleeves. It feels a little long for me. It looks like Mickey Mouse. Gives a little more height up for your back squishies. I don't know how I feel about it. Like I like it, but I don't. The fabric is pretty thin. Probably nice for the summer when it's like super hot out. Nothing like my own sweater. This is super soft underneath. So that's it for this video. If you liked the first haul of the year, make sure to leave some love. Tell me what your New Year's resolution is. I really want to know. I've been asking everyone when I'm on TikTok Live. Make sure to check out That's Her's first embroidered crew neck and the website on its own. We have a bunch of restocks coming and new launches, which I'm really excited about. So make sure you follow us on thatshershop.com or our Instagram, That's Her Shop. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye. Use the code.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.